Most people are anchoring their dock completely wrong and it's costing them thousands. Today I tested 3 popular dock anchoring methods, but only one actually works. If your dock shifts, tilts, or breaks loose during wind or waves, your anchoring system is the reason. I tested 3 of the most common methods side by side under real conditions, and what I found surprised me. I'm PJ, a former engineer and teacher, and I help lake owners avoid expensive dock mistakes. Method 1, dead weight anchor. First up, the classic concrete block or dead weight anchor. Dead weight anchors work on the simplest possible principle. Put enough weight on the lake bottom and connect it to your dock. The weight resists movement through sheer mass and friction against the bottom. In calm water it works, but under stress it starts dragging. Those blocks still shift over time. Strong waves, changing water levels, soft lake beds, all of that slowly moves the blocks. Method 2, the auger screw anchor. Now this is where things actually change. Screw anchors. Instead of just sitting on the bottom, these anchors are drilled deep into the lake bed, which means they don't slide, they don't drift, and they don't give up when conditions get rough. Once they're installed properly, your dock stays exactly where it should, no matter what the water does. This is the method people switch to after they've already failed with the other 2. Now this is the one that actually works. Pole anchoring. Instead of fighting movement, it controls it. Your dock can rise and fall without drifting away. It handles the waves and wind, it keeps the dock alive, and has long-term durability, but it does have a higher upfront cost. So the real test result, after testing all 3, the concrete blocks dragged. The auger struggled in mixed soil, but the pole system, solid, stable, no horizontal movement, just up and down with the water. If you learned something new, please click the like button and the bell. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and post a comment below. Be sure and visit my website and download your free dock inspection checklist and blogs from the videos. And I'll see you in the next 2 videos. Best dock for fluctuating water and boat wakes are destroying your dock. Here's how to stop it.